Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a good morning. I hope people got their breakfast in. Second, my friends. Okay. Oh, hold on, Miss Sarah's looking for something. We are in the month of June. It is 2020. We get to start having more ice cream. The sun is going to come out, my friends. So let's get started. We are going to do our good morning song. So we'll need 2 hands and 2 fingers. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you, very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, you guys. Thank you for joining me on that. Now let's talk about our day. So we have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 1, 2, 3. And green, purple, purple. So let's figure out what day it is. So yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Very good. Today is Thursday. And I just put my rectangle in. And now let's look at our numbers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. The number 4 comes next. So Miss Sarah's going to write the number 4 in her box. Now let's talk about our pattern. We had green, purple, purple. Remember, a pattern is something that repeats itself, so we have to do it again. So we have green, purple, purple. So what is our next color going to be? That's right, it's going to be green. So Sarah's going to take our green marker. She's going to color in her box green. Very good. Let's say our date. Today is Thursday, June 4, 2020. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. Now we are going to I'm going to go over our lesson plan for the day. Today we have, using the letter flashcards, find objects in your house that begin with that letter sound. So for these objects, some of them might not necessarily be beginning sounds, but maybe looking for or thinking of words that have that sound. So A, and jiggle, J. We have, Sarah, I think. We have B for bat. Then we have I, the team I. We have the team E, like B or E. And then or. So door. And then we're also having the kids write their first and last name again today for literacy. For math today, our goal is to count to 35 objects. If your child is struggling with 35 objects, have them count to the number they can count on their own, and then practice with them counting to 35. So then model it with them. So you'll count with them to 35. Science and Social Studies today, we have a video on brushing your teeth and the importance of brushing your teeth. At school, we usually do an entire unit and we talk about how important it is to brush our teeth, to keep them clean and to keep us healthy. For recess today, there is an indoor exercise video. And for social emotional today, we do really just want you guys to focus on how you're feeling and how your children are feeling right now. I know that right now is a really tough time. So just continuing to have those open conversations about your feelings and your emotions. If you need anything, as always, please reach out to me or Miss Lily, and we will try to find those resources for you. And please let us know if you need anything. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.